Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back again to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be doing some product research, but the specific strategy that I'm going to be doing today is called web scraping. So if you've ever used tactical arbitrage, this is pretty much the same strategy that I'm going to be doing, except that I'm not going to be putting in websites into tactical arbitrage. I'm going to be creating my own script to scan any website that I want. So let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and dive into the computer and find a website that we're going to scrape, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we are in the computer now. So I have no idea what website I want to scrape. So I'm going to go ahead and head to gcx.app. So this is pretty much, this was raised before they got bought by, I guess the name was GCX. So this is a discounted gift card website. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy and try to find a card that has a really high discount so that I can see if I want to web scrape their website. So let's go ahead and filter this to let's do 10 to 20% this gift cards. So let's see, we got Bed Bath and Beyond. That's pretty good. I'm not actually ungated in that, but I might just do it just to show. Let's see, Men's Warehouse, Cracker Barrel. PetSmart, 10% gift cards. That might do that. Joanne Fabrics. Okay, let's just do let's do PetSmart. All right. See, 10% gift card. All right, let's go to PetSmart.com. All right, first step is we need to find what category we want, or what category I want to web scrape. All right, so the category we're going to choose is cat toys. They have about 509 items in this category. So we're going to choose this. Okay, yeah, 13 pages. So first thing is we found a category. Now we just need to grab the page. So it's going to be PetSmart cat toys. I'm going to copy this, and then I am going to turn on my VPN because I'm going to be running scripts on their site and I don't want my IP flagged by them. All right, so now that the VPN is turned on, we're going to head into WebHarvey, paste the URL here. All right, so now we're going to start creating the scraper. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and click start. Let's see. Okay. You grab the title. Let's grab the image. Get the price. And then need to get the URL to the product. All right, and then I need to set the next page. Okay, now we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna see if it works. There's mine 3 pages. So right now the script is gonna grab the title, the image, the price, and the URL of each item on 3 pages. All right, so the first page it pulled 40 items. I got all this information. It's working on page 2. If it pulls the second page, I'm going to go ahead and stop it and then go ahead and start mining the entire category, which is only 13 pages. So it might take a while, but okay, so it pulled the second page items. So let's go ahead and stop this and go ahead and mine all the pages. So it should mine all 13. Let's resume where it stopped. All right, so we're gonna mine all of these and then I will show you guys what to do next when everything is mined. All right, so now that we have the items scraped from the PetSmart cat toys category, we're gonna head over to tactical arbitrage and then we're gonna go to wholesale search and then click on wholesale search. And then now I need to upload this file. So let's go ahead and upload it. All right, so now it's uploaded. We are going to, or I am going to name the search. So let's date this. PetSmart cat toys. All right, I think my filters are already auto set it. I have sales tax at 7% because I'm in Georgia and it's usually going to be around 7%. And then remove hazmat products. Remove if the estimated sales is less than 1. And I think that's all I have on this one. Profit and ROI. I have removed products if gross profit is less than $1 and more than nothing. So I have is blank there. Remove products with gross ROI of less than 10%. I have that, and then I don't have anything on the other one. And then other filters, I have also show Amazon out of stock results, and then UPC stores, and then these other two here. So that's pretty much it. We're going to click search. So now it's going to scan all, or tactical arbitrage is going to scan all 500 and something items. And then we are going to look over it and see if we found anything profitable. All right, guys. So the PetSmart scan is done. So I had 560 items on the spreadsheet, and it checked. This is products checked. Oh, actually, no. This is 560 rows that were in the spreadsheet, and it checked 1,036 products. And out of the 1,036 products, it added 9. So that's not really that good. But yeah, let's go ahead and view these 9 and see if we got any hits for any profitable products. All right, so this first one right here are 2 completely different products. These 2 right here are the same. It says 0 from PetSmart. It's probably a variation and it didn't pick up the the buy price. All right, so it wasn't a variation, but let's see, the buy price is $12.99, so this is not even profitable. We're not gonna even look at that. All right, we got these 2 items. Let's see, $2.39 for it doesn't say 4 ounce, but this one's a 4 ounce on Amazon. 4 ounce bag. 4 ounce bag here is $7.99. That would be unprofitable. That's $7.99 without even tax added. So what will this be? This will be $8.55. Oh snap. So negative 7 or $1.07 will be lost on that if I bought that. These 2 items are different. These actually look like the same items, but this is the variation. So even if this was right, it still would be unprofitable. Yeah, negative $2.01. These two items are wrong. This are completely different. Actually, let's check this out. Maybe it's a variation. All right, never mind. It's not a variation. I don't think these are the same thing. These are not the same thing. All right, so that's it. Those are all the products that I got. All right, so that's pretty much how to web scrape. So I don't really do this strategy that much because, as you can tell, sometimes you'll get a lot of products that are two different things. But it's pretty cool to see like scraping all this stuff. But if you really want like results with finding like good products, I think the best type of strategy you should do is storefront stocking. I have a couple tutorials on my channel on how to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for web scraping. So I'll see you guys in the next video.